Good day everyone, I am Regina Tandaan. Together with my partner, Ms. Danica Cornelio, we were here to discuss one of the environmental laws, the Climate Change Act of 2009, or known as Republic Act No. 9729. The 1987 Philippine Constitution, Section 16, states that protect and advance the right of the people to a balanced and healthy ecology in accord with the rhythm and harmony of nature. It is in the statement where the creation of Republic Act 9729, known as Climate Change Act, was built upon. Republic Act 9729 calls for the state to incorporate the concept of climate change in different stages of policy formulation, development plans, poverty reduction techniques, and other government tools and strategies. It is to ensure that the plan of the government observe environmental safety and principles of sustainable development. The government shall encourage the national and local government, business and non-government organizations, and local communities to participate in alleviating the effects of climate change. And this act aims to incorporate disaster risk reduction measures into climate change adaptation plans. The Philippine archipelago is prone to negative effects of climate change such as rising seas, changing landscapes, increasing frequency or severity of droughts, fires, flood, storm, climate-related disease, ecosystem destruction, and loss of biodiversity. The Act established the Climate Change Commission as the sole policy-making body within the government which supervise, coordinate, and evaluate policies and plans regarding climate change. The Commission was established under the Office of the President, and it has diverse advisory board comprised of government ministries and agencies. The Act requires the Commission to draft are the following policies. First is a national climate change framework as a basis for research and action planning. Second, a detailed national climate change action plan. And the third are the local climate change action plan guidelines formulated by the Commission.
Significant points of the law. First, incorporating the concept of the climate change in any government plans and policies will help promote environmental conservation. For example, is establishing the People's Survival Funds or PSF to provide long-term climate financing for local government units and people's organization climate adaptation initiatives. And second, strict compliance will also be observed as the presence of Commission will help assist the implementation of the law. So this is important to ensure that the legal obligations are met and thus avoid unnecessary or unintentional negative impacts of the environment. Third, an action plan will help identify areas that are prone to the climate change consequences and will aid in the formulation of the effective plan. Fourth, encouraging the government, agencies, business sectors, local communities, and individuals to be part of this will help in the success of the implementation of the climate change. So we can encourage them by the help of the social media so that we can spread awareness or information about how climate change affects Earth and how the law of climate change could be helpful to save our planet Earth.
Why is climate change an important issue? First, changes in weather and climate pattern may put our lives at risk. Second, we need a clean water to survive. Third, we need to breathe clean air. Fourth, we are all affected regardless of the place we live. Fifth, future generation. If climate change continue, future generation will experience the worsening effects. 6. Our world is wonderful place to live in. How can we help? First, save energy at home. Walk, cycle, or take a public transportation. Reduce water waste. Plant more trees. Trees help to stop climate change by removing carbon dioxide from the air, storing carbon in the trees and soil, and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Use renewable energy.